Here come Vonzy on his EVO. That's a sweet ride. It's a pretty sharp looking bike though. You translated the user's manual?
You push that twice and it opens this.
Oh.
Okay, I've got a cheat sheet here, which is large print summarizing the manual. And then this, because it's a 2-battery, hold that for a second. Because it's a 2-battery version, this little tray comes out, sort of comes out to the back. It really does. I gotta learn how to work it.
Oh, I see.
Okay,
oh, that's
I keep
big.
My dog biscuits, the registration, and the other things are down in there.
Wow, that's pretty big.
But
yeah.
you don't, this is, you get with the 2-battery version.
That's where the second battery would go.
Yeah, that's where the 3rd battery would go.
Third battery,
Yeah.
all right.
The cheat sheet, and remember most of it. One thing that's interesting, this is sort of an electronic lock. You don't push hard on it. I mean, you hold it and it locks its, well, let me do it again. You hold it and it locks itself.
Oh, and what's this compartment here?
What's that?
That compartment?
That's for charging, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, now.
It's a nice looking bike though.
Okay. Now why don't you sit on the thing and put up the kickstand and get comfortable.
All right. It's not that heavy.
No. Okay, now.
It's pretty light actually.
Yeah, right now it's in economy mode.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the mode is here, and we'll put it in.
Oh, it has reverse also.
Yeah, I don't want reverse.
Drive, normal.
Drive, that's normal. That's where
Okay.
we're gonna go. Just give it a twist, and I don't think anything happens. Okay, stop. It's still in park. So that you
P.
P. Okay,
Oh,
now it's
all right,
ready to
there it
go.
is.
Okay, now turn on the turn signal, and you'll see that it lights up the back camera.
Oh yeah.
So don't be surprised when you see that.
Push to
Okay.
cancel. All right.
Now, things like boost mode and stuff, don't mess with that.
Yeah.
The 3-battery doesn't have boost mode.
I'm just gonna drive it. I'm not gonna hit
the
any.
2-battery has boost mode.
All right.
And it's 5 seconds of rapid acceleration, so
Oh
don't do
geez.
that.
All right.
But as you're going around, give it a few little blips with the throttle, and you'll see that it's got pretty good pickup.
Yeah. All right.
Okay?
I'll
Now-
do your loop, your little
Yeah,
racetrack
but
loop.
don't stop, because I'll be looking for you coming around,
Okay.
and if you stop, I'll get worried. I'll say, oh man, he crashed.
Oh, okay.
So just make a smooth loop all the way around.
All right.
The only stop sign's that one where that car came out.
All right.
Okay, and you got the
And it's-
KPH, I don't know what, 40. Keep it under
It's about
40.
40 is 30 something. 30. All right.
Okay, go for it.
Wow, so quiet. Very quiet. Oh yeah, it's got some pretty good pickup. Oh, chilly today in Florida. Work myself up to 42. Oh, this thing handles really nice. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, this thing's got some pretty good pickup. think I beeped at the wrong one. This is the one. Yeah, this is the one. There's Vonzy up there. Oh, this thing handles and rides very nice. I like it. Wow. And I believe this thing will do like 65 miles an hour. I forget how many watts it is. 5,000 was it, he said? I'm gonna have to ask him. Jeez, even at 40, it's got pretty good pull. This can be a fun ride. That's kilometers, of course. This thing's quick. Oh, you got your package.
What do you think?
This thing's zippy.
Pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Well, why don't you just go down and park it on the slab?
Okay.
I'll meet you down there.
All right. How many watts did you say this was?
8 kilowatts.
Oh, 8,000. Yeah, because I was doing like 38, 40, and I'm going, and I looked down, I'm doing 43, and I was like, wow, this thing just...
Did you give it?
Oh yeah, I gave it a couple blips.
Yeah.
I probably got 46 because I was down at 38, and I went.
On the web, 8
and I went,
kilowatts is like only 125 cc, but it feels more than that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll meet you back there.
All right. That wasn't even in sport mode. Vonzy's gonna ride it out to the Gulf. And then I'll get to rip it on the main road. That's pretty sharp. I don't know how to turn it off right here. No. Oh, it's got auto lights. Auto. Huh.
Oh, here's something that's interesting. Let me put this down. Normally, if you put the steering wheel to the left, okay? Mm-hmm. And you see that little pin there?
Right.
If you turn it off right here, and you wait, as soon as that disappears, you got 15 seconds, you do it again, and you watch there.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
See, that's the steering lock comes
yeah.
out. A bunch of different things like that.
Oh, that thing rides so smooth.
Doesn't it?
Handles so nice, too.
Yeah, it's just effortless. It feels light.
Yeah.
It feels heavy when you're moving it around and light when you're riding it.
It doesn't feel that heavy to me.
Well, it does to me.
Like, you think it
No,
feels a lot
moving it
heavier than
around,
your
it's heavy.
125s, you think? How much does that weigh?
320, I think.
All right. I expected it to feel heavier. It's cold today.
This is the Montana title.
All right.
Side panels for the Cub.
Here, I got this. You want this? I always have my little razor knife. More decals.
More decals for the front. But look at that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the right decal set. $10 a piece.
Jeez. $10.
Yeah.
How can you beat that?
One for each side.
Oh, man.
I had to do that because the white decals were out of stock. I didn't have any choice. I had to get that whole set. This is shaped for the Cub, but that's the same decal that's on the taxis and stuff too. Mm-hmm. So I don't know, what should we do? Should we go get lunch somewhere?
Sure, if you want. Well, thanks for letting me ride. I can't wait to get it after you do your test ride out to the beach.
Yeah, I think I'm probably going to do Ozella Trail too.
Oh, Zella is a good one. That's right.
Ozella's a little bit longer. Do a range check first and then I'll drive it.
So off to the Mexican restaurant we go. I just had it for dinner last night, but I don't care. I love Mexican.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.